It's creamy, it's cheesy, it's tasty, and we call it Fauxtatoes.
Hi, I'm Hunter.
And I'm Miles, and today we will show you how to make Fauxtatoes.
What's Fauxtatoes?
It's a substitute for mashed potatoes, and faux means false in French. That means it's false mashed potatoes.
And today we'll show you how to make it. You need half a head of cauliflower. This is half a head of cauliflower cut into florets. You also need 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cheese stick, 1/4 cup of cream, chives, it's optional because it's just for garnish, salt and pepper, butter for garnish, and garlic is also optional. You put it inside of the Fauxtatoes. And also you need a steamer, and a food processor. We already steamed the cauliflower for 5 to 6 minutes and we're still adding it. We're putting it inside the food processor. First, add the cream, cheese, then cream, then garlic. It's optional, but we want to, so we're adding 1 cheese stick, and you can also use shredded cheese if you want. We're going to add salt and pepper. It's also optional, but we are adding it. Pepper. After 2 to 3 minutes, get a spatula and the cauliflower on the sides, push it down to the bottom. Then continue blending until it's full. This is how the result looks like when it's still blending. We also added butter and chives. Look how creamy this is.
Look at this good consistency. I can't wait to eat it.
We have finished making these mashed potatoes, and it's time to taste. We hope they taste good.
Time to taste! Ten out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next
Next
time.
time.
Bye!